Purchase your tracks today.
Shalom. Give thanks always, no matter what you face. The Lord is near to those who trust in Him. He hears the prayers of the sick and heals them. Whoever seeks His face will find Him. He never turns away those who come to Him. Hold on, wait upon Jehovah Rapha. He got the power to heal every sickness. He got life in Him, Yeshua does, yeah. Eternal life is what He's promised us. Even if after this flesh returns to the dust, I know there's a more glorified body waiting for me. Hey, delight in the Lord always, and He will give you the desires of your heart.
Purchase your tracks
Commit
today.
all your ways to the Most High, and you will see Him start to act in your life. Yeah, trust in Yeshua